When it comes to family getaways, the camper trailer is one of the most popular options on the market. It's not hard to see why. The compact product is lightweight and easy to tow and expands to almost double its size, which ensures it keeps all family members happy. There are many different brands of camper trailer on the market and prices range from $18,500 to $55,000. They can sleep up to 8 with beds rolling out at both ends of the camper trailer. That table in the middle, well, that transforms into a bed as well. And this seating area here, put a mattress in and you've got yourself another bed. And as you can see, there's still plenty of space for internal living. Most camper trailers include standard features like comfy mattress, gas cooktop, fridge, table and seating. And then of course you have the optional extras including slide out barbecues, solar packs, outdoor showers, stone guards and even bike racks. Do your research and ask plenty of questions. Always discuss your intended use with your dealer to ensure it is capable of meeting your requiremts and is fit for purpose. Our tip is to spend time with the dealer or manufacturer, discussing your needs, including where you intend on using the vehicle, highway touring, or a combination of sealed and unsealed. Recreational vehicle manufacturers must adhere to some of the world's toughest construction standards and are subject to over 100 Australian design rules, Australian standards and regulations. The industry is regulated by various state and federal government departments, agencies and regulators. Camper trailers are generally really low maintenance. They're easy to store, easy to set up and really easy to unhitch, meaning as soon as you reach your destination, you are free to go and explore via sealed roads, unsealed roads or even off the beaten track.